G'day everyone, it's Jeff from Ruralco Water with the Southern Basin Water Market update for the 8th of April. Although temperatures are starting to cool down, we've just had another dry week and unfortunately the forecast isn't showing much hope for significant rainfall in the near term. The MDBA has reported the Southern Basin storage is at 53%, or below this time last year when they were sitting at 79, currently tracking under the long-term average. Hume is 25 compared to 65 last year, Eildon 64 down from 93 last year, Dartmouth 80 was 95, Burrinjuck 45 was 80, Blowering 32 was 64 and Menindee 33 compared to 52% this time last year. One thing we're keeping a close eye on is the potential inflows from the recent weather events in Queensland and Northern New South Wales. These systems are currently feeding into the Barwon-Darling and likely to make their way to the Menindee Lakes. That said, there's no guarantees these will be enough to fill Menindee, and without substantial rainfall follow-up, the impact on next season's allocation could be minimal. New South Wales Water will hopefully provide some information on likely flows in next week's announcements. In the Murrumbidgee, demand has started to ease as growers shift focus to harvesting cotton, rice and maize. We're still seeing water move out of the Bidgee into the Murray below choke to support downstream demand. Right now, allocation prices are around $1.85 in the Bidgee and New South Wales Murray and $1.90 to $1.95 in Victoria 7 and South Australia. In the above choke markets, demand has softened slightly, mainly due to harvest, which has eased the hand-to-mouth purchasing. There is some early pre-irrigation starting for cereals, but overall prices are steady. On the New South Wales side, it's sitting at around $100 to $105 a megalitre, and in Victoria it's $105 to $115. Meanwhile, in the Goulburn, we're seeing strong supply and good balance with buyers and sellers. Prices currently $102 to $105. As the end of the season is fast approaching, so is the growing demand to shore up water for next year. We're getting large volumes of inquiries for next season forwards. Zone 7 in South Australia at around $265 a megalitre, Goulburn around $160, Murrumbidgee $270, Zone 10 $180. Zone 11's also around that $265 to $270. We're also seeing a change in carryover behaviour. Previously, many below choke users used the Goulburn to park water, but with changes to the IVT process, that demand has eased. Instead, we're seeing more interest in below choke carryover, particularly against high reliability this year. Some indicative prices are on high reliability Victorian water 10 to 12, Vic 7 low reliability 105 a megalitre, Goulburn around 50, Murrumbidgee general around 100 and Zone 10 around 70. A couple of key dates to keep in mind. Tuesday 15th of April we'll get the next New South Wales Murrumbidgee allocation statement, plus an updated on Murray outlooks. 30th of April is the close of interstate trade from New South Wales to Victoria, so if you need to move water, now's the time to think about it. And finally, since the federal election's been called, the Water Recovery Office has confirmed the government's entered caretaker mode. That means no contract sale will be exchanged until the election, after the election. And that's it from this week. As always, if you're looking to buy, sell or just want a bit of information, the best place to start is with your local Ruralco water broker. We're here to help you make sense of the market and plan with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next time.